Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to drift Kia Stinger. Start in a safe, legal area with proper tires, a spotter, and lowered pressures, then warm the tires slowly. Focus on smooth throttle and steering inputs, learning weight transfer with small clutch kicks or feints to unsettle the rear. Progress gradually, keeping revs in the power band and practicing exits until you can hold a controlled slide with confidence and awareness. Start in first or second gear depending on space, keeping revs in the power band to deliver predictable torque. Use a light clutch kick, handbrake, or feint to initiate rotation, then immediately steer to catch the slide. Balance the drift by feeding throttle and making small steering corrections, keeping movements deliberate and smooth. Build intensity gradually and never exceed your skill or the safe limits of the environment you are practicing in. Tune suspension and alignment to favor predictable oversteer while maintaining road manners for daily use. A touch of rear toe out and firmer rear anti-roll can improve rotation, but avoid extremes that compromise safety. Use quality summer tires and keep pressures consistent for repeatable traction, and inspect brakes, differential, and cooling systems before sessions. Always carry basic safety gear and confirm your spotter and escape route.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.